Hi everyone, I'm here at the Trumps again. So today I'm going to show you a night version of the place. Some of you have requested to see how does it look like from the night. As I mentioned, there's another view altogether when it's in the night facing the city. So basically, as you can see over here, when all the lights have been lit up, the streets and all the tall buildings as well, all together, this is a totally different view. Over there is MBS. I'm not sure whether you can see from the camera, but if you're standing right here as I am right now, you definitely can see the city sky, the night lights. East Coast over there on your left. This is where all your amenities down on the bottom, your famous miswa, your Indian Muslim coffee shops, etc. Kembangan is over that side, so basically just walking distance you get to NTUC and many other amenities as well. So I've run through the house before. You can check out the main video. So all in all, again, it's a very well maintained unit, renovated as well, so the lightings are all in place, which makes this house very cozy setup all together. A very wide living room separated with your dining as well. And just to show you a little bit about on the kitchen when it's lit up at night. So again, very good condition. We have an open area which is towards the northern side as well. So you get all the crosswinds coming into the unit. So very well maintained. And looking for the next discerning owner. So yeah, if you fancy this place, give me a call and I'll be happy to show you the place.